How to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy XRP using Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that Phantom primarily supports Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and related ecosystems. If you're buying XRP through Phantom, make sure you're purchasing a legitimate supported version as wrapped XRP where available, and always verify the token details before confirming any transaction. So start by opening Phantom Wallet app on your phone, and if you don't already have a wallet set up, create one and securely back up your recovery phase. Then to buy XRP, you'll need funds in your wallet first. So you're going to tap on add funds over here, and you can either buy Solana and receive Solana. You can simply just buy any of these. So you're going to simply click on add funds over here, and you can either buy Solana from the Apple Pay, debit or bank, or you can receive Solana from another wallet. So after buying it, you're going to swap it to XRP. And now the next thing that you're going to do is simply click on the search bar and type in XRP and press return. Over here is the perps XRP. So you're going to carefully review the token information and verify that you're selecting a legitimate supported XRP asset. Always double check the token details before proceeding to avoid fake or scam tokens. If XRP is available through a region and network, and if you do have some Solana coins in your wallet, you're going to simply tap swap, select the asset you want to trade from, such as Solana, enter the amount and choose XRP as the asset that you want to receive. Then you're going to tap review and confirm the swap, wait for the transaction to take process, and once completed, your XRP balance should appear in your wallet. You can go back to the wallet home screen and you'll be able to see XRP listed over here along with the amount that you have in your wallet. Always verify token contracts and network compatibility before buying. Fake XRP tokens have appeared on some networks, so never purchase a token solely based on its name.